Yes. Welcome to this video, guys. Welcome to this video. So, if you guys want to make money with affiliate marketing learning machines, then you can basically leverage dating sites. This method's totally free. You can absolutely just demolish. I was just looking into some of this beforehand, and these offers will convert very, very well for just on dating sites. Okay, so what you do, uh, to market, you basically compose as if you're someone else. You make like you go find someone on Instagram, you go find their content, go download all the content, and go to a bunch of different dating sites. Okay, you can start bringing in a bunch of leads. Get ready for this. And basically, guys, I've talked about the strategy a little bit before, but this strategy can make people hundreds per day. Okay, this is a bigger scale method of how you can do this. Basically, you're going to go to a bunch of dating sites. You're going to upload this content on all these different dating sites so you can get more traffic. And these dating sites basically push very attractive people. So it's a very attractive person you're pushing. Um, and it should be a girl. Okay, so you have a girl there, and basically she's just like looking pretty or whatever. And then people will go follow her on Snapchat, and you have a Snapchat built out where basically you're getting in a bunch of people. And basically, whenever go follow this person on Instagram and go see what stories they do, edit the stories around where basically you can promote affiliate offers. So you basically promote cam sites, you promote more dating sites and stuff like this. You're like, go check me out over here on this site or this site or this site. And they just go sign up and they go check it out. Okay. And you can make a lot of freaking commissions. You could just promote one offer and just crush it by yourself. But remember this, adult traffic is the cheapest in the world. It's basically free. Okay, so it's like you could do free methods, but isn't the paid traffic already free for you? So it's like it's your choice at that point. Do whatever you want at that point. But my point is, you're all over the place on multiple dating sites. You can go look up how many dating sites there are. There's a lot. Okay, and basically you get these people, and you can get them DMing you. Okay, so people are DMing you back and forth on these dating sites. And you can just start literally promoting these affiliate offers straight through the dating sites. You're like, yeah, go check me out over here on this cam site or whatever. And they're not over there, but it's like they go sign up, and because it was recommended to them by someone they like. Okay. And so it's like it totally can be convincing. It can totally work 100%. Okay. I don't have time to do this. Plus, free methods. The only free methods I do on the side is make some videos kind of like this. Okay. Just free normal videos. Just teaching, okay, what I know. And then I run paid ads all day doing stuff, okay? And it's like paid ads are the way to go, but in general, you can literally, if you don't have a bunch of money right now to do paid ads, you can literally straight up just do free methods, guys. You can promote these offers with free methods, and this is not the only way. Like you could go to Instagram, do follow, unfollow, okay? So you just follow people and unfollow people who are on similar the type of Instagram pages that would want to convert maybe on an adult offer or something. So maybe they're following some adult models or something. I don't know, or some models in general, okay, or compilation pages of models and stuff like this. And then you follow, unfollow. You have a page just like it, and then in the top link in your description, you do something called a link tree. And then inside the link tree, you literally you're linking to a bunch of these offers, okay? And people just are converting all day because it's a little bit warmer of traffic, okay? So with free methods with adult marketing, you want to be promoting, if you do free methods, you want to be promoting like on these social traffic sources because it's a little bit warmer of traffic. But you can still do a blog, an adult blog. Most people wouldn't want to do that. I definitely would never want to do any content creation for adult at all, personally. But if you want to do that, you can build it up very big. I just run literally adult traffic because it's cheap, two offers that aren't even really adult. Sometimes I run to adult, as you can see here, but mainly I run literally to my own offers, okay? And I don't show much of that. I'd have to blur like crazy, but I may show quite a bit, okay, in the future. So definitely subscribe and check out more freaking methods from me, and you guys can absolutely demolish, okay? But this method works. Literally, you can promote sites. An offer like this looks like it's good. This one right here, this one right here, this one right here. This one for sure, this one for sure. Anything outside of the United States, though, that's when your strategy kind of pivots where you have to just double down on one country. You can't do multiple countries. So pick one country to do it in. If it's your country, great. You'll find a bunch of offers. And you can sign up for Crack Revenue. I've got a link. You can go to my link, one of the top links in the description, and you can go sign up for Crack Revenue and get approved super fast. and you can start crushing it. Okay. It's very hard to get approved if you're not recommended to the site, and so that's why you got to click through my link and go join. But yeah, you guys can make like $300 a day with this method for sure. Okay. Grow it up for a few weeks, and you're gonna be seeing consistent days. Okay, of hundreds of dollars per day. Okay. So good luck with this. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, learn machines. Thank you so much for watching. Share with your friends. Check out links in the description. And peace out, learning machines.